So I got all the skins from Rhinoshield, the front protector and the back protector for the Samsung Galaxy S20, and we're gonna go over them today. I would highly suggest getting the Crashguard from Rhinoshield, which is only a bumper case to protect the sides. Also, it's to complete the look as well. Alright, moving on to the skins. First up is the carbon fiber, which feels like any other carbon fiber like material, so if you do or happen to buy like a carbon fiber case, it pretty much feels like that. For the brushed titanium, it does give off a heavy look to it. It kind of makes it look like metal too. For the texture, as you can see those vertical lines, you can actually feel those grooves as well. And the matte black is straight up clean, and having it contrast with the white Crashguard, it looks so good. I think this is going to be my to-go pick. And the concrete looks pretty nice as well if you do want another lighter option. And the texture to it feels exactly the same as the matte black, so it's not super smooth. It feels like they have tiny bumps to it over a matte finish. Now, if you do want a white option, then they do have white marble. I think up close it looks pretty nice, but the gray on it feels a bit too light to me, so I wish it was like a darker gray tone so it kind of like pops out a bit more, but from far away it kind of looks just white. Now for the black version, you can tell that there's a lot of different more shades, from the gray to the darker grays to blacks, so if you do want to see more details, then the black one is probably the better looking one. Now both of these skins are super smooth, and on the back they feel completely flat. So if you do hold it in your hands, it's just straight up slippery. Now for the regular screen protectors, they do feel pretty thin, and if you do happen to dig your fingernail in there, you can see it. Now for the price, each skin goes for about $20, and for the Crashguard it goes for $25. I do have a 10% discount code and a link down below, so if you're interested, you know where to find it. So those are my thoughts on these skins. I'm gonna go with the matte black skin with the white Crashguard. I just think it looks super clean. So please follow me on Instagram, give a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.